Hello children, in this class we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 14 force, work and energy. So let's start. Okay, first choose the correct options for each of the following. Okay, the ability to do work is called, we all know, energy. Identify the simple machine that is a form of two inclined planes joined together. Answer is which, you all know there are two inclined planes. Okay. Next, which among the following is a source of solar energy? We all know the answer is sun. Which of these is a renewable source of energy? Sun is the renewable source of energy. Frictional force slows down the motion of an object. Gravity and friction are the two natural forces. We use machines to make our work easy. Windmills are used to extract energy from wind. Dash can change from one form to another energy. Next, state whether the following statements true or false. Okay. Force applied by our muscles is called muscular force. That is true. Gravity is a type of friction. No, that is false. Work is done only when force is applied. Yes, it is true. Lever are slanting surface used to push or pull heavy object to a certain height. No, that is inclined plane. The energy that we obtain from the flowing water is called solar energy. No, that is called, it is false. And the energy from flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Give one word for the following. The force that always slows down the motion of objects, that is frictional force. Next, the force that attracts objects to the earth's surface, that is gravitational force. The natural energy used by the green leaves to prepare their food, that is solar energy. Next, the heat energy obtained from the earth, that is called geothermal energy. Okay, next, force, work and energy. Give reason for the following. The first one, we find it difficult to work on a wet surface because the smooth surface of the ice provides very less friction. Next, when we throw an object upwards, it always falls back to the earth's surface because of the gravitational force. Next, new cars or carton boxes are loaded on trucks using inclined planes because inclined planes makes that work easy. We must reduce the use of coal and petroleum because they are non-renewable source of energy. Next, the sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth because all living organisms depend on the energy of sun. Next, define force. Okay, answer the following question briefly. Define force. What is a force? A push or pull applied on an object is called force. What is a machine? Machine are devices that make our work easy. Give two examples of lever. Two examples of lever are scissors and bottle opener. Next, name any two forms of energy. Two forms of energy are light energy and chemical energy. Next, what is friction and how is it useful to us? Friction is the force that slows down the motion of an object. Friction provides ample friction that gives us a good grip on the ground. Next, under what condition do we consider work to be done? Work is said to be done when force applied on an object makes the object move along the direction of the applied force. Next, define energy and explain the various sources of energy. Okay, here you have to explain the various sources of energy. And I explain here solar energy, wind energy and water energy and also earth. That is called geothermal energy. Next, cognitive corner, critical thinking. What will happen to a body in motion in the absence of friction? You all know what it happen. It don't slow down. It goes all around the way. A coolie is standing with a heavy luggage on his head. Is he doing any work? Yes, that is quite normal. We should switch over to energy sources such as sun and the wind. Why? Okay, think and answer. Okay, picture study. Which of the following is an example of wedge? Name the other simple machine. Think and answer which we can use or tell as a wedge. That is, we can tell wedge. Okay, a project is given here. Make a list of different forms of energy being used at your home. Identify which form is being used the most. Compare your list with your classmate. Okay, you can do it in your home. That you can make a list of energy that are used in your home. Like you have electricity in your home, so you use the electric energy, also the light energy, heat energy, like that. Make a chart on the devices that help in generating energy from the natural sources, including the name and picture of the source from which each of the device extract energy. Mention the benefit and harmful effect of using such devices. Okay. Mm, you have to write here the machines or the tools by which we can extract natural energy, and here also you have to uh, write uh, the effects of those tools. Life skills. You have approached by two different people for help. You need to think and suggest appropriate solution to both of them. Okay. Person 1. This person needs to load some heavy boxes onto a truck, but he is unable to lift them up on his own. He finds some wooden planks, a wedge, and a pulley around. Which of these can use to load the boxes? Guide them appropriately. আচ্ছা, এখানে একটা দুটো পার্সন আছে যাদেরকে তোমাকে হেল্প করতে হবে। তাহলে প্রথম পার্সনটা কিছু হেভি বক্স ট্রাকে তুলতে হবে এবং তার কাছে কিছু উডেন প্ল্যাঙ্কস আছে। উডেন প্ল্যাঙ্কস মানে যেগুলো কাঠ থেকে তৈরি প্লেন্স, এবং একটা ওয়েজ আছে এবং একটা পুলি আছে। তাহলে কোনটা সে ইউজ করবে এবং কিভাবে ইউজ করবে গাইড করো। নেক্সট, দিস পার্সন নিডস সাম হট ওয়াটার টু ড্রিঙ্ক। হিজ গ্যাস স্টোভ ইজ নট ওয়ার্কিং। He has a vessel that has a glass lid and also a glass of water. Guide them to use available material to get hot water. আচ্ছা, আর একটা লোক আছে যার গরম জল দরকার এবং তার স্টোভটা কাজ করছে না। তার কাছে একটা পাত্র আছে এবং একটা গ্লাস লিড আছে। গ্লাস লিড মানে হচ্ছে কাঁচের ঢাকনা আছে এবং এক গ্লাস ওয়াটার আছে। তাহলে সে তার এই জিনিসপত্রগুলো ইউজ করে কীভাবে গরম জল খেতে পারবে সেটা তোমরা তাকে গাইড করো। নেক্সট, a worksheet is given here. Natural resources such as sun, wind, water, and the earth are renewable. However, if we do not use it wisely, these resources may get exhausted someday. How can you take part in using these resources wisely? Write down few remedial measures to save these different resources. Okay. There are some resources, natural resources given here. You have to write the remedial measures that can save these resources. Like this is water, This is forest or plant, this is earth, and this is electricity. Okay students, that's all for now. Thank you. Prepare well for your exam. Best of luck.